Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel Income Grinders. My name is Eric and it's time for the first income report for this new year 2022. So it's time for January reporting and let's get started. I haven't had time to prepare as always this presentation much and I will just record and publish. So the first thing I usually talk about a bit is the background of my income that is generated every day and every second online. So it's based on, as you can see here in the slide, on about 140 niched small websites that are monetized mainly using Google AdSense. And besides that, I have about 16, soon to be 20 affiliate websites that are basically product reviews in various niches. And I'm targeting Sweden to 99% so far. Still, I've been doing this since, I don't know, like 2005, and around 2015 I was doing really well, and then I had a big crash in my income, like you already know. So probably I'm gonna skip this part in upcoming videos. I've been saying that for a while now, but anyway, I've been doing this then restarted around 2016, and my so-called wife status is around actually above 100% at the moment. We'll get into wife status a bit longer into the presentation. It basically is a metric indicating if I'm more or less financially independent, comparing my income online on my side hustle, comparing to what I make as a software engineer consultant. So let's take a look at how January went the last month that passed. So if I compare the earnings like a year back, the income is lower, quite a bit lower than it has been on average during the full year that went by. But that is, it's more interesting to compare to how January went the last year instead of comparing like the average monthly income that has been coming in the last year. So in history, January is always a very low earning month. So I would say it's a decent month. And if I compare to January last year, it is great because it's about 10% higher revenue generated from my various online assets. So that's good. And the reason why January is so slow in terms of income is basically that the display ads budgets, or the amount of money that companies are willing to spend on online ads, is historically low in like January and February. Then it usually gets started again. And another reason why the income is a bit low is that my affiliate income is still in decline, so that is pretty sad, but I need to do something about that. It's lots of competition in the search results, and it's getting harder and harder, even in Sweden, to get traffic to those kinds of websites. And what is nice is that during the whole month of January, my so-called wife status, the indicator of how much financially independent am I, basically, was above 100% the entire month. When looking at 12 months historical data. But if we look at 3 months data back, then I was below 100%, and that is due to December and January being a very low income month when it comes to, at least for my types of websites. Okay, so let's get on with it and take a breakdown on the revenue that was generated in January. And in total, from display ads like AdSense and Ezoic, my side business or whatever you call it, made almost $10,000 as income, 9,826, and we generated $1,595 through affiliate links on the various websites that are running. And then from stuff like YouTube, etc., Twitter links, and I'm not sure why I'm separating those, but it's not like they're the main chunk of my income, and that is about almost $500. So in total, I made my side hustle business, 11,914 US dollars. And I'm sort of first I'm aggregating the Swedish kroner, then I'm sort of just taking the current exchange rate and calculate the dollars. Then, of course, there are some costs associated with running this side business, and that's being calculated to be $43 per day, which gives an operational cost for January to be about $1,000, $347. And I made 0 investments this month that went by as well. So the total cost of running this show is $1,000, $347. Did I say dollars twice again? Sorry about that. And so the total profits made in January sums up to $10,567. And after the tax that is put on having this kind of, I think the closest translation would be LLC. So if I want to sort of pay out the dividends to me as a private person, I need to pay about 20% taxes on that profit. So that once I've gotten those money in my pocket, I could invest them. So that totals down into $8,390 approximately. And with this money, I can either invest into stocks within my company, or I could pay out dividends to me as a private person, and then there will be a bit more taxes in that process as well. So what's been going on in January? I've been, like always, working full time as a software developer, doing .NET C# coding. Basically, no productive work done at all on the various websites. Lots of thinking about strategies and stuff, how to resolve the Clone Wars issue where the sites are not getting approved into Google AdSense anymore. So trying out and thinking about the various ways to approach that, because I'm guessing that the people trying to approve my sites getting into Google AdSense is not finding the sites unique, or maybe they're having trouble with too little real nice articles. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna test some strategies and see how that goes. So in the meantime, I'm trying to focus 50-50 on my sort of Clone Wars project and normal affiliate websites. So I'm at least putting out new articles with new product reviews where I can get some new earnings coming in. Because those sites are already sort of approved, and having collaborations where I can get affiliate links up and running. And I've been doing some accounting because sometime in February I need to do sort of the disclosure of the 2021 year in my businesses, so I can do close the books on those the accounting for last year. And like I said, there's been a huge drop in traffic and income for the affiliate websites, which is really sad, because I was having high hopes to be earning quite a lot more money at the end of last year and through this year. And I'm also been putting in time to learn the Jasper.ai tool, because that is giving me a really boost in creating lots of good content. It's really an amazing tool, so you should check it out if you have a chance. So let's take a quick look at the statistics. Like I keep every day, I update around lunchtime yesterday's income. So all these numbers here are in Swedish kroner, and you see, and each column is a revenue stream basically. So we have these are affiliate collaborations. You might know some of them in UK or US, wherever you're sitting. Amazon, most people know. Adtraction is Swedish. AWIN is sorry, European at least, I think. Anyway, affiliate links and affiliate income. Then each ads column here is display ads revenue. And if you go to this tab, summarized, you can see for each day the total sum of income is shown here. And I've split it up in AdSense, affiliate, other. So AdSense is basically display ads. And this is aggregated income online since 2016, I think it is. And then these three columns here are the estimated yearly profits in the side hustle based on 3, 6, and 12 months history and deducting the cost of running the operation. And this wife column here is basically how much money I make in my other company where I work as a consultant. And when this 12 months calculated profit is higher than the wife column, then basically I could live from the side hustle business instead of working full time. And this tab here, we can take a look at. This is like the projection of how much profit I will make in the side hustle business or the income grinders project, whatever you want to call it. So we can see here around December that we have a big decline in estimated yearly profits. And that is due to December and January is being really, and actually February as well, is really low income months. So that is usually why we see this drop even historically around those time of the year. And yeah, we can take a look at this. And here we can see that I'm about 102% wife at the moment. So I'm with 2% margin, financially work independent, so I could step down in working and basically live off the side hustle business if I wanted, but I don't want to do that. I like to be working as well. Okay, that's it. So what are the plans for next or this month in February? It's keep working, grinding it out at the day job, scale up new websites while doing it only 50% in Clone Wars, and I need to put some effort into, my affiliate websites, since those I know are generating money as soon as they get published. I need to update the fixed cost because the cost of owning domains have gone up sometime around the New Year's. And since my hourly rate has increased in my day job, I need to recalculate how much money I need to make in the side hustle in order to be completely wife status or 100% wife. Excuse me. And next week I'm meeting the accountant to finalize papers for all the companies I'm running, or the two companies, the consulting business and the side hustle business, and close the book for last year in order to be able to pay out dividends and start investing the sort of money that is left in the business, so I can sort of compound that into a nice amount of money to have in the future. So that's it for January 2022. Please leave any comments if you have questions or thoughts about making money online or running this kind of side hustle. And if you find the content interesting, just subscribe, like, and all that. And have a great day. Thanks. Bye.